Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how to change our verified email on Snapchat. Let's get started. First of all, open your Snapchat. Make sure that you have already logged in. Now tap on your Bitmoji or profile icon in top left corner of the screen to open your profile page. On your screen, you can see gear icon or setting icon on top right corner. Tap on it. Now you could see email on your screen. Tap on it. You will see your current verified mail over here. Tap on it. Then delete your old email and type in new one. Double check it to avoid typos, and if it's fine, tap on save. Now Snapchat will send you a verification mail to your new email address. Head over to your email inbox. Find the email from Snapchat. Tap on it. And click on confirm email. That's it, you have updated and verified your new email. Let's check it out in Snapchat too. Tada, your verified email is changed. And that's how we change verified email on Snapchat. If this video made your day a little bit easier, don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in next video.